I always knew I was going to be an engineer. I guess growing up watching Dad, that's just kind of stuck. Dad moved back to Missouri. We moved to the farm and he started the business in the basement. He put in long hours. Mom did the secretarial work.
The one thing that I now realize is how much time it really took to get the business started.
We're very proud of the team that we've got. We have a reputation for putting out a great product. Brian has his side of the business, I've got my side of the business. There's times that we have to step in and check on each other and make sure we're taking care of the customers that we need to.
We're both pretty easygoing, but I'm more easygoing than he is. When I came on board, it was just Mark, Dad, and myself. I had to go out and find some clients to do civil engineering work for. You took about any job you could get. Today, that part of the business has 6 employees. That's really changed over the past 5 years in that he's not always in the office, or you don't know when he's coming in or when he's leaving or what he's doing when he's there.
I don't know that we envisioned Strickland Engineering being 40 years old when I joined it or when Dad started it. 40 years, you just feel that's a milestone. You just want to take the time to celebrate that, as a company, we've made it to 40 years and just look at what the next 40 are going to bring.
Strickland Engineering and I have worked on many projects together, starting back in 2008 when we did our first initial master facility plan. I was a rookie, I was very green. Mark and Brian and the engineers there helped me through the process, helped me understand the mechanical systems, electrical systems. We've been working ever since 2008 on various projects. There are so many things that we need professionals like Strickland Engineering on. And there's so many behind the scenes mechanical systems and electrical systems that we just need expert advice on. We have close to 1 million square feet under a roof. And with that many square feet under roof, obviously things go wrong. And without professionals there to lean on, we don't really have a guide or a roadmap in order to fix those things. So not only new construction, but also renovation. Strickland Engineering's always been there.
Brian Strickland is the engineer assigned to our district, I guess, and he's been the primary point of contact. He designed a completely new treatment plant for us on one site that came in much more inexpensive than we thought it would, and he came up with some really good retrofit ideas on a couple other plants we have. We're operating, trying to keep our rates low, and he's been a big help in that process. In addition to just the engineering abilities the firm brings, they take a big picture approach to your project. They listen to you when it comes to your concerns about cost effectiveness and what you need out of a project they might design. They're very approachable, very easy to work with. They have good communication with us and in our projects.
We would not be where we're at today or be able to get all the work done without our team. Each person that we've hired at Strickland Engineering, we feel like we're bringing on themselves and their families to be a part of our family.
I know that all of our employees, they're doing what we need to do, but they're doing what's right. I can always feel confident about that.
We wouldn't be at 40 years if it weren't for our team. We wouldn't have made it to 40 years if we didn't have the great employees that we have. Because the two of us couldn't do it by ourselves or with Dad. It takes a whole group of us.
From the proposal stage to design and construction and finally to completion, Strickland Engineering supports the team and our clients throughout the whole journey. They treat each project as if failure is not an option. We are currently working on the Cape Girardeau County Courthouse as well as the Jackson Police Station.
One thing I like about working with Brian is he's not afraid to get his hands dirty and get right in there and get the job done when we need some things that might be out of the ordinary for an engineer to do. He'll jump in and help get things done. That saves us money and time and helps us fix problems pretty quickly. And when it comes to sewage, you need to deal with things pretty quickly sometimes. We would absolutely choose Strickland Engineering again. He brought a skill set, the firm, and Brian especially brought a skill set to the district that we honestly don't know what other alternatives we'd have.
Strickland is very professional and take pride in their work. It is an important attribute to me that they get it right the first time, and their plans are complete and thorough.
I would highly recommend Strickland Engineering. They have a wide range of experience that really came to bear very well in our project here in Fruitland.
Without a shadow of a doubt, I would recommend Strickland Engineering. They are the engineer of choice.